Hi there! You're probably wondering what stages your projects go through. We usually divide the project into 3 stages. That would be sample stage, trial, and the mass production stage. Sample stage is considered to be a testing phase. Usually you can order up to 10 pieces. For the customized products, this stage is associated with the implementation costs. At this stage, you will know minimal order quantity for the mass production, shorter MOQ, and you will know the estimated delivery times as well. Trial, a second stage of your project implementation, usually allows you to order less quantity than indicated in an MOQ. This part can be omitted for the standard products. It's designated only for the customized one. This is time to show the product to your end customers and to observe how the market behaves. Mass production is the final stage of the process. It means the project is already implemented. The minimal order quantity for the big sizes of your display around 100 pieces. Depends also on the complexity of the project. To find out more, please go to Unisystem webpage or contact me directly. Thank you for watching.